Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're feeling a little under the weather and you do not want to cook something massive, but you want to cook something which is easy, healthy, and which will help you build immunity system, Thambuli is the answer. Thambuli is a South Indian recipe and I have made using sambarballi or DoddaPatre. Sambarballi or Doddapathre leaf, as it's called in Kannada, it's also called ajwain in Hindi, omovalli in Tamil. This leaf has oregano-like flavor and odor. This medicinal leaf is used to combat cough, sore throat, nasal congestion, fever, skin allergy, and it also helps kidney health. These are the list of ingredients. First, you would have to wash and soak the leaf in salt water to kill the germs, and then clean it with a clear water. Add all the ingredients to the mixie grinder and grind it. I have not mentioned the quantity of the herbs used or spices used. The reason being it's as per your taste. You can skip the coconut in case if you do not like having coconut. I love having coconut. That's so South Indian of me. So go ahead and grind it into a fine paste. Then you whisk the curd to a uniform consistency and set it aside. Empty the mixer grinder into a vessel. Add water as per the consistency that you require. Make sure you add water that's boiled and cooled down to room temperature. The reason being you're not gonna cook it anymore. Add the curd in the end, mix it well. In case if you find the consistency like I do here is not enough, keep adding water. I love to have this in a really runny consistency. I like soaking the whole rice in this and then having it. Sometimes I also sip it like a soup, which is cold, but it's really healthy. I add a lot of black pepper to give that spiciness. This is the consistency that I love. You can have this as a curry with rice as well. It normally ends with mint green color. Tastes delicious, smells amazing. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, request you to kindly subscribe. Click on the notification button so that you receive the notification when I upload a video. Thank you.